Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. DJI, a brand synonymous with innovation in drone technology and aerial imaging, is reportedly preparing to make a groundbreaking entry into the photography and videography industry with its first mirrorless camera. Known for its history of pushing technological boundaries with products like the DJI Ronin 4D, this move marks a bold shift for the company. If these rumors hold, DJI is set to compete with established industry giants such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Speculation about DJI's foray into the mirrorless camera market gained momentum following a report by Andrea Piney at Sony Alpha Rumors. According to trusted sources, DJI might unveil this innovative product as early as September. While official confirmation is still pending, early leaks suggest the camera will feature interchangeable lenses, a significant development for DJI, which has built its reputation on drones, stabilizers, and gimbals. Leveraging Hasselblad expertise. What makes this rumor particularly compelling is DJI's ownership of Hasselblad, a legendary Swedish camera manufacturer known for its high-end medium-format systems. Hasselblad's expertise in imaging, as demonstrated in products like the X2D100C, could play a critical role in shaping the sensor technology, image quality, and overall design of DJI's mirrorless camera. By combining Hasselblad's heritage with DJI's engineering prowess, particularly in stabilization and computational photography, the new camera could deliver a unique blend of innovation and usability. This collaboration could position DJI as a formidable competitor in a market dominated by Japanese manufacturers. Potential features and design philosophy. DJI has a proven track record of integrating advanced technology with user-friendly designs. The rumored mirrorless camera is expected to incorporate features that address some of the most common frustrations faced by photographers and videographers. Simplified menus and user interface. Hasselblad's minimalist design philosophy, celebrated for its intuitive and clean menu systems, could make DJI's camera highly accessible to newcomers and hobbyists. Traditional cameras often intimidate users with their complex interfaces, and a simpler, more streamlined approach could attract a broader audience. Seamless connectivity. Despite the widespread use of smartphones, transferring photos from cameras remains cumbersome. DJI could revolutionize this by integrating advanced wireless technologies such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for fast and seamless transfers. Taking inspiration from the Leica SL3, which uses MYO technology to transfer full-size DNG files in seconds, DJI could implement similar innovations. Additionally, the inclusion of significant internal storage, akin to the DJI Mavic 3's 1 TB capacity, and AI-based cloud backups could provide peace of mind for creators, eliminating concerns over data loss. Lens compatibility and ecosystem integration. Lens compatibility is a critical factor for professional photographers. DJI's Ronin 4D already supports DL, L-mount, and E-mount lenses, demonstrating the company's expertise in versatile systems. Expanding this compatibility to its mirrorless camera could lower the barrier to entry for new users while appealing to professionals with extensive lens collections. Furthermore, if DJI develops its line of high-quality, affordable lenses, it could solidify its market position by offering cost-effective options without compromising quality. Computational photography and AI integration. DJI's expertise in computational photography could set its camera apart. Features like real-time HDR, AI-based subject tracking, and advanced stabilization could redefine industry standards. These capabilities could appeal to content creators looking for cutting-edge tools to enhance their work. Overcoming industry challenges. Entering the highly competitive mirrorless camera market will not be without its challenges. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and loyal customer bases. For DJI to make a lasting impact, it must introduce not just incremental improvements but revolutionary features that address existing pain points. Balancing innovation and affordability. While advanced features like internal storage and cloud integration are enticing, they could significantly increase the product's cost. DJI must strike a balance between innovation and affordability to ensure widespread adoption. Software ecosystems. Established brands offer robust post-processing software and mobile apps that integrate seamlessly with their hardware. DJI will need to develop comparable or superior solutions to compete effectively in this space. Customer support and trust. Building trust among professional users will require a strong customer support infrastructure. DJI's reputation for innovation must be matched by a commitment to service excellence. The potential for market disruption. Despite these challenges, DJI's history suggests it has the potential to disrupt the market. The company's competitive pricing in the drone segment indicates that it could bring similar value to the mirrorless camera space, challenging the high costs associated with many existing systems. By addressing user pain points, such as complex menus, lackluster connectivity, and cumbersome workflows, DJI could redefine what creators expect from their gear. Features like simplified interfaces, seamless wireless transfers, and versatile lens compatibility could set new benchmarks for modern cameras. Moreover, DJI's ability to integrate its mirrorless camera into its existing ecosystem of drones, gimbals, and stabilizers could create a cohesive workflow for content creators. Imagine a camera that pairs effortlessly with DJI drones, allowing users to switch seamlessly between ground and aerial photography. Implications for the photography industry. If DJI's mirrorless camera becomes a reality, it could inspire other tech companies to explore the market, leading to increased competition and innovation. This could ultimately benefit consumers by driving down prices and accelerating advancements in camera technology. The rumored launch of a DJI mirrorless camera represents an exciting opportunity for photographers and videographers alike. While details remain scarce, the possibilities are intriguing. If the rumors are true, September could mark a turning point for the photography industry. Conclusion. By leveraging its expertise in connectivity, stabilization, and user-centric design, DJI has the potential to redefine the mirrorless camera landscape. The company's focus on addressing real user needs and integrating advanced technologies could make its camera more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. The future of photography and videography may be closer than we think, and DJI appears poised to lead the way. With its commitment to innovation and a proven track record, DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market could pave the way for a new era of creativity and technological advancement.